guys, it's Karolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a collaboration with you guys. So a group of us got together and we decided to do like a craft kit collaboration while everybody, you know, is at stay-at-home orders and everything like that. So this is a kit for you to kind of make your own something. So you guys could see what I was sent. So this package is from Polka Dot Mailbox. Her name is Toni and I cannot wait to see what she included in here. I took the tape off here and this is what I got so far here. The front has her address on here. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna have everybody's link down below. I will have Toni linked down below, and then all the other girls that participated in the collaboration are gonna be linked down below as well, so you guys could see what they created and they sent off to their partners as well. So here we are. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. She decorated the top here. I see that decorated, or I mean, with just paper. She covered it up with some paper. And then this is what we got inside. She wrote a little note for me. I love these. Look at this. Look at these little gold confetti bits. I love that so much. I'm going to keep those. And she wrote my name here and it says Karolina. Did you draw this? No, you didn't, right? P.S. There is paper under the cardboard insert. Under here? Wait. This thing? It can't be this, right? Cardboard insert. I'm confused. Okay, I guess we'll figure it out. We're gonna see. So she wrote there's paper under the cardboard insert. Okay. Let me open up this and see what she wrote. Oh my gosh, did you make this card too? How cute. It says, let's get crafty. Oh, that's so cute. All right, she wrote me an essay. Oh, that's so cute. So she said she put a lot of thought into this and she figured she would stick to what she knows best, which is scrapbooking. I love scrapbooking too, and this is gonna be awesome because I love making albums, but they just take so long to make. So she said she included a kit for me here to make one of her favorite projects, which is a Bright Life mini album. And she has a video on how she put it together, so I could check that out if I'm stuck on putting it together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes, thank you. I love albums. I make one like every year for my babe and I actually am delayed on this year, so I don't know what to start with first. Oh my god, look! I think this is the album, the base. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. How cute. It says, Karolina, you can do this. Oh my god, how cute. Look at all these little shred pieces. I'm keeping all these. Oh my god, there's sequins in here too. Oh, I love it. Thank you so. Oh, I think those were glued on there. Oops, I think I just took it off. Yeah, they were glued on there. My bad. Wait, I got my hot glue gun ready. Let me stick it back on here. Sorry, Toni, messing up the project. I thought you just had sequins inside. I don't know if that goes there, but I think it goes there. Okay, anyway. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my god, I love the glitter she used on these. Can you guys see that? Look how pretty that is. Toni, you have to let me know what kind of glitter that is. Like, I love it. I have glitter that I put on my flowers, but mine are just like super fine glitter. But look at yours. How pretty is that? So pretty. So let me know what glitter you used. And she did some inking around this here. Oh, so cute. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. So she included this if I wanted, I think, to put this on top. But she gave me a whole entire binder to kind of like make my own thing. Oh my god, I love this. And I love the color you chose. Aqua turquoise. I love it. Thank you so much. Yay. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And I can make my own cover if I don't want to, you know, use this one. So thank you so much for that. I love that. This is going to be so exciting. I don't know what to dig into next. Oh, what is this? Look at this, a big puffy heart. Oh, that is this. Oh, this is so soft. I wish you guys could feel this. Oh my god, it's so soft. And it says hello. She could put like a little tag here. Clip the key ring through the binder ring and let the heart hang off the side. Oh, so cute. Yes, she gave me like a little charm to put in my binder. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I actually really like this too. The way she decorated this. It's so cute. Like, can I have this dangling off of it too? Maybe I could. I could like stick this closed so that it's just, you know, like that. It's cute. Thank you so much, Toni. Here she has some ribbon to go with the binder, and it's like a color to go with the binder, so I could use it as a closure if I want to. I could use it to decorate some pages. Oh, I love this. I love this one on the bottom, and this top one, it's like velvety. So pretty. Thank you so much. This is so fun. Oh, I love this. And then she, hold on, I'm stuck here. Oh, okay, I think there's paper under, oh my gosh, I see what she means. I think if I'm correct. But she has this box here, and this one says treats, and I love how she decorated it. I love all like the lovey-dovey stuff in here. It's so cute. So I'm guessing there's, I don't know, maybe candy in here? It says treats. Is it candy? How do you open this? Oh my goodness. What kind of box is this? Look at this. That is so fun. Am I opening this right? I hope I am. How do I get my hand in there? Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Technical difficulties. Oh, there is candy in here. Thank you so much. You guys are always like stocking up me on candy, and I love candy. Coffee crisp. I've never heard of this before, but I love coffee, and I love like crispy stuff like that. That sounds like it's gonna be so good. Oh, there's a whole bunch of treats in here. Thank you, Toni. What is this one? We don't have these. Nestle Aero? Is that what this is? I don't know what this is. Feel the bubbles? Is this like a bubbly chocolate? This could be so fun to try. I think you're in Canada, right? So I haven't heard of any of these. Wonder Bar? I haven't heard of any of these. I'm so excited to try them. Here we have Smarties and milk chocolate. What? Never heard of that either. And this Oh Henry, which is crunchy peanuts, chewy fudge, creamy caramel. Oh my god, this sounds so good. I'm gonna have to have one. Thank you so much. So I was right. It said treats, and it had a whole bunch of goodies inside. I'm gonna leave them out of the box because I'm just gonna eat those afterwards. Oh my god, did I just ruin my nails? How did my nails not dry yet, guys? I painted these this morning, and look at this. I don't even know. It's just not dry. I don't understand. Okay, that's it. That's here. So I think she said under this cardboard insert, there's paper. Maybe I should take all this out first. So here you have, oh my god, a loaded pocket. This is crazy. Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god, stuff falling out. Thank you so much, Toni. This is so fun. I see what she means. So under here, there is paper. All right, so I'm gonna get to that in a second. So here she has a loaded envelope. I see a sequin mix I could use to make a shaker. That is so fun. And it says mini album kit right here. Oh my god, look. This little like pocket that she did with some glitter. Oh, something fell off. I love these flowers she's making. I love that glitter. Is that stickles? Maybe that's actually stickles, but I love it. This little butterfly she made, and it says be true. I love how lovey-dovey you made this. Oh my god, so cute. This little lollipop, did you make this? I think she maybe did. It's so cute. Little lollipop. Here she has, it looks like ephemera bits in here for my, oh my god, it is. Look, You Are Cherry Sweet, and a whole bunch of like ephemera bits. This is gonna be so fun. Thank you so much. You literally gave me like everything to create this mini album. I'm so excited. What else is in here? Got another one of these things. I love these. Oh my god, I love those hearts, those little heart sequins, and I love how she decorated them. And these little rosettes, oh my god, these are so tiny. She got some like iridescent, I don't know, iridescent, is that mylar? Rosettes, and these pink ones, and then this one's a flower on top. Oh, I love that. Thank you. Some little cards. These are like bigger cut apart things that I could use. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun. Oh, and I think this says a bag topper that she didn't, oh yeah, she didn't stick it on. So I could reuse it if I wanted to, but it also makes it easy to take these out. It says, now is the new later. Hello, friend. Believe in yourself. You can totally do this. Love yourself more. Let them eat cake. I'm growing every day. Every moment matters. Girl time. You are good enough. This is the sweetest, most gorgeous day that ever my eyes did see. That is so cute. And feel beautiful today. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Thank you so much, Toni. I could see that you did put a lot of thought into this, and I really do have everything here to make an album. It is perfect. You probably were knowing somehow that I haven't even created my 2-year anniversary album. Another sequin mix right here. Beautiful little sequins I could make shakers with. Oh my god, she gave me some of those flowers. Yes, thank you so much. I love them. The pink ones are my favorite. They're so pretty. What else is this? Little butterflies I can use to decorate with. Oh, she used that vellum. I just hauled that recently, and it's like that flower, like flower foiled vellum. So pretty. These little butterflies. And it's it in there. And then here she has die cuts. Oh my god, so many die cuts that I could use. Oh my god, there's so many in here. I see little butterflies. I love this bag topper too. Has like that little heart. So cute. And inside of here, she has a whole bunch of goodies. So some of them are in these little baggies, like the smaller pieces. So here she has a whole bunch of like punched out, scalloped things. Some of them with saying, some of them with not. Wow, you gave me so much more than I actually need for this album. These little flag punches on some different kinds of paper that I could use to decorate. These little flowers and different shapes of flowers. Then there's this one. I think these are little tabs for the planner, not planner, album. And then these flowers. Oh, I thought these were butterflies at first. But those flowers, I love flowers. Thank you. This is so thoughtful. And this cute little bag topper. But for real, guys, how did I ruin my nail already? I don't understand how I did that. I painted my nails at 9 o'clock this morning, and it is currently 3:41. This is not a fast drying nail polish at all. She gave me this. What is this? Oh, this little cards or paper. Maybe paper. I think it's just paper, like different kinds of paper. I don't want to open it up because I didn't take a photo yet. But this is really pretty. And she cut them up down to size for me. So thank you. Then she sent me some of this fancy floss, which is just like thread in different colors. You got the red and the white, the yellow and the white, and blue and white that I could use to decorate my album. These feathers I could use. Oh my god, I don't have feathers like this. This is so awesome. Thank you so much. I love that. I don't have feathers like that. And then she even gifted me some stickers to decorate from Jen Hadfield and some Chamel So here's some puffy stickers here. Oh, I love the little KitchenAid and the teapot. Oh my god, they're so cute. And this one, oh, she used one of these to decorate right here. Look how cute that looks. I definitely will be using that. Those are so pretty. And then these clear stickers. And then there's a back to this as well. And then there's these Chamel box of crayons adhesive patches. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love the hello and the little ice cream and the strawberry. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. And I think that's it in here. So she made this cute little loaded pocket. How do you make this? Is there a tutorial you followed for this? Because I don't know how to make these things, but I would love to know. So please let me know if there is. Okay, and then she said there is paper under this chipboard insert. So let me get that out. This is a good fit in here. I'm trying to not ruin my nails again. Okay. All right, and let's put this back. And there's some paper for me to use to cut apart, to decorate my album with. Yay, thank you so much. And it's double-sided. I love this little lemony one and this red one. It feels like a picnic. The little strawberries. And this one as well. And the butterflies. And then there's this one. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, girl. Thank you so much, Toni. Everything is perfect. I cannot wait to make this album. I have to think about what I'm going to use it for. I don't know if I want to use it for the 2-year anniversary because I feel like I might need more pages than I might be able to fit in this album. But it's going to be so fun to make. So thank you so much. I'm so excited. All right, guys. And that is it for today's video. Check out Toni. And I will have her link down below so you could see her video of what she sent me, and then you could also see what she received. I didn't send to her, somebody else did because it was a little loop. But you could also check out what I sent in another video, and you could check out what all the other girls received as well. So I'm gonna have everybody linked down below so you guys can see if you guys wanted to do this kind of like swap with somebody. It's so fun. So you guys could do that as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you again so much, Toni. I love it all, and I cannot wait to put this together, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.